The Movie Channel presents The Last Memory of Earth. In the vast unknown, destiny begins with a dream. When he was a child, he saw the impossible. Wendell and his best friend liked playing to be astronauts, pretending to explore the stars. He never stopped believing. Welcome to Project Orion. You're going beyond the galaxy. But some discoveries were never meant to be found. What they uncover will change everything he believes about humanity and existence itself. We were never alone. This is not a discovery, it's a revelation. If you believe that we may exist decades beyond what we know, this movie is for you. You will witness breathtaking outer space sequences. Subscribe to our channel now.